Understand, because in life, there's no timeouts. Bruh. This ain't the NBA, this ain't the NFL. Get your Major League Baseball head ass on. This ain't the MLB, bro. There's no timeout. There's no, oh, hold on, coach. Hold on, referee. Let me get a redo. There's none of that, man. You get one shot at this. You feel me? Understand that, gang? You get one chance. What am I dead, bro? So, again, you want to start a YouTube channel. Okay, cool. That's fine. Bro, why have you not uploaded any videos? You know what I'm saying? You didn't even put no effort or energy into this idea. You just got it in your brain all day. Get your Jimmy Neutron head ass on. Get your Dexter Laboratory mouth ass back. You got this idea all the way sitting in your brain whole time, all the way in the back of your subconscious, but you don't want to make it come out to real life. You feel me? Understand this, man. You need to start putting effort and energy to your damn life, bro. Because I'm telling you, time is our biggest asset. Once we lose our time, we won't have nothing left. Once you lose all your time, it's over with. Time out. There's no timeouts, like I told you, so it's over with, bro. Your time's, you know what I mean, done, and you up out of there. You gone, bro. You a ghost now. What am I moving? You in the afterlife. Whole time, gangster. Get your goddamn Danny Phantom head ass on. You turn to a whole ghost now, bro. So realize this, my brothers and my females. Every single day that you wake up on this earth, realize that you only have so much damn time. Don't be sitting there thinking that you can keep pushing something off, man. Stop pushing everything off. Let me get your push it to the edge. All my friends are dead. Head ass on. You always trying to push something to the edge, bro. Understand. Stop pushing off your success. Stop pushing off the grind. Stop pushing off what you really want to get done in this life. Because I promise you, my brothers and my females, if you realize that if somebody told your ass you had 2 weeks to live, whole time you're going to be doing everything that you always wanted to do. But guess what? You think your dumbass brain, well, the average American lives 70 years in America. Man, shut your dumbass up. You want to be the average American? Understand, man. People sit there and waste their time at 9 to 5s. They go to dumbass jobs. They go to colleges and all this. You feel me? Whole time. Get their ICDC nose ass back. Do things that you actually want to do, man, because you only get one chance. Why are you gonna waste your chance sitting here doing things that you don't want to do all the damn time? I understand you gotta grind. I understand you gotta, you know what I mean, get to that next level. But understand, my brothers, my females, if you could get a Lamborghini tomorrow, would you? Obviously. So why would you not sit there and put the time, effort, and energy into actually having this dream that you had in your head, this something that you inspired to get, actually come to fruition in reality, man? So understand this, my males and my females, bro. So stop wasting your time.